10 Legal Traps When Registering FDI in 2025. What investors need to know. Fire hot news. In the first 5 months of 2025, Vietnam attracted $18.39 billion United States dollars in registered FDI capital, a staggering 51.2% increase compared to 2024, according to Báo Đầu Tư. But did you know? Over 30% of FDI applications are rejected or face disputes due to legal errors. A Korean company once lost millions of USD because of a non-notarized contract. How can you avoid these pitfalls? Here are 10 common legal risks when registering FDI and how to overcome them from FDI Vietnam Hub. 1. Lack of notarization or consular legalization. Risk. Business registration certificates, passports, or financial capacity documents not consular legalized will be rejected. Example. A Singaporean company had its application returned due to a non-legalized business registration certificate. Solution. Legalize documents at the Vietnamese embassy. 2. Failure to check restricted sectors. Risk. Some industries like advertising or tourism require a Vietnamese partner or sub-licenses, per WTO commitments. Example. A German company faced delays for investing in a sector not allowing 100% FDI. Solution. Review the 2020 investment law and sector list at the Department of Finance. 3. Weak financial proof. Risk. Bank statements or audited reports insufficient to prove committed capital lead to application rejection. Example. A Japanese company was disqualified for providing inadequate bank balance confirmation. Solution. Provide bank balance confirmation or audited financial statements. 4. Non-notarized land lease contracts. Risk. Non-notarized industrial park land lease contracts may be void, causing disputes. Example. A U.S. company lost $200,000 United States dollars due to an invalid land lease contract. Solution. Notarize contracts at a notary office. 5. Inconsistent contract languages. Risk. Bilingual contracts, English, Vietnamese, with discrepancies prioritize the Vietnamese version in disputes. Example. A British company lost a lawsuit because English terms differed from Vietnamese. Solution. Use reputable translation services and review both versions. 6. Missing sub-licenses. Risk. Some sectors, retail, education, require sub-licenses. Non-compliance leads to fines. Example. A Thai company was fined for operating a training center without a license. Solution. Check sub-license requirements at the Ministry of Industry and Trade or Ministry of Education. 7. Incorrect Vietnamese partner information. Risk. Signing contracts with partners lacking legal status, e.g., invalid business registration, causes disputes. Example. A French company faced issues because its partner lacked a valid business license. Solution. Verify the partner's business license and financial capacity. 8. Non-compliance with application deadlines. Risk. Late submissions or failure to supplement requested documents result in cancellation. Example. An Indian company was rejected for not supplementing documents within 30 days as required. Solution. Track progress and submit supplements on time via the FDI portal. 9. Lack of environmental protection plan. Risk. Manufacturing projects without an environmental impact assessment report face suspension. Example. A Chinese company was halted for missing an environmental report. Solution. Submit an environmental impact assessment per the 2020 Environmental Protection Law. 10. Overlooking tax incentives. Risk. Failing to register for corporate income tax incentives leads to missed benefits. Example. A Dutch company was unaware it qualified for a 4-year tax exemption in a high-tech zone. Solution. Check tax incentives at industrial parks or contact local tax authorities. Conclusion. With $18.39 billion United States dollars in registered FDI in the first 5 months of 2025, Vietnam is an attractive investment destination. But small legal errors can jeopardize your project. Prepare documents, contracts, and leverage legal advice to lead the 2025 FDI wave. Speech balloon. Have you encountered any traps when registering FDI? What stage is your FDI project at? Share your story or ask a question in the comments, and FDI Vietnam Hub will support